Good day, students, and welcome back to another lecture of value education. Our today's topic for value education is save water. Save water today or tomorrow, you'll pay. Means, students, you have to save water or else there will be no water left in this earth for you to use it or to drink, as it is the most important thing in our life. Let's listen to a story on this topic. In a village, there lived a kid who had always said water is very important. He saved lots of water when he was using it. Many years later, people started to waste water, but the kid didn't. He tried to tell everyone to take care of water, but they didn't care and they didn't listen to him. Then an idea struck him. He showed people responsible ways of saving water, like turning the tap off when brushing teeth. Still, the people didn't care, and he has suggested many other measures that they can save water. And he also tried to convince them that wasting water is nearly doing a sin. But people didn't bother and did not pay attention to his words. A month later, on a cold, frosty morning, the people of the village woke up and discovered that there was no water. They had nothing to drink, to wash with, or even to use when they went to the toilet. People were very scared and worried. So they approached the kid again. The kid explained and reminded them that water was so important that people didn't to look after it. Having no water for their daily activities convinced the people on what the kid has always tried to teach them. The next day, some water appeared. As a month went by, the volume of water in the village also increased. And they tried to take the simple steps of saving water. That is, water left in water bottle at the end of the day can be used to water plant or cleansing purposes. Check the tap leakages at your home and fix them immediately. Use a bucket to bath instead of a shower. Tapping rainwater through rooftop rainwater harvesting. So these were the simple measures discussed among themselves, among the villagers, and they were trying to implement it. So students, moral of the story is you save water, you save life. Saving water is very important. Even a little amount of water left in your water bottle, you do not throw it. You can, while going, if you see some plants, you can put the water on that, or in a house garden of yours, you can just put that water to a plant. So this is the way we how use water in simple things. You can save water. Students, I hope that you have liked the story and you understood the concept, what the story is, what is the measure we have to take to save water. Students, I kindly request you to like and share the video and subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you.